So what you have to do, you can see the apps here. These all apps will support. Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in my previous videos I have shown how you can downgrade your phone to iOS 6 and also how you can jailbreak your phone. So as you can see, I have installed some of the apps from the store, and I'm going to show you how you can download Spotify and Opera Mini and other some stuff how in your phone. So you can't really find Spotify right now. There is no support of Spotify for iOS 6, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you have to jailbreak your device. If you haven't jailbroken your device, you can check my previous videos, so you can jailbreak your device. Then you have to go to Cydia and you have to install one app called AppSync. So AppSync you cannot find in Cydia right away, so you have to do something. First of all, you have to go to the source, then you have to add a source. Then just press add and you have to add a source. So the source is here. I have already edited the source, so I'm not going to edit the source again. So the source is let me show you the source. So I have already edited the source. So the source is this is the like Korean, something called Korean source. So there will be you will find the AppSync unified. So I will give the source link in the description video, you can find it there. So the source is cydia.angelxwin.net. so in this source you will get the AppSync unified. You have to install this one, otherwise you cannot install the app. So we are going to use, then after installing the app, it may ask you to respring the device, so you have to respring your device. Then what you have to do is connect your Wi-Fi. Obviously you have to connect Wi-Fi. Then you go to your browser, then you have to open a website. So as you can see, I have opened a website. The website link will be description below, you can find it there. So when you will go to the website, you will find something this like interface. So there is like iPhone OS 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So as we are running iOS 6, let me show you the version I'm running now. So I'm running our iOS 6.1.3. so let me show you first that one. So as you can see here, I'm running iOS 6.1.3. so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select iOS 6. So if I select iOS 6, they will show the app for which can be used in iOS 6. Let's select iOS 6, as you can see. So what you have to do, you can see the apps here. These all apps will support your phone if your phone is running iOS 6. So some of them may not work, like YouTube and other things, but like Spotify is working. I have checked it. So just click on Spotify. It will pop up with install message. Just click on install. As you can see, it's downloading right now. So let's let it download. Then download something else too, like let's download Fluffy Bird. You will not find this one in Apple Store, so you can download it from there. Then go again, whatever you need. So I don't use Chrome, VLC. Instagram works, so let's download the Instagram too. And then I will download the Opera Mini. So Opera Mini, you can download it from, I think, iOS 5. So let's see iOS 5. Let's check the iOS 5. Click on iOS 5. You may find some other apps which will work. So as you can see, let's check it has Opera Mini or not. So it doesn't has Opera Mini. Let's check on another folder, like in iOS 4, because all the previous version will work on iOS 6. So you can select any one of them and you can download. Previously there was Opera Mini. Yes, yeah, found it. So as you can see, here is Opera Mini. So you can download this Opera Mini, and this website is little sluggish, so don't worry about that, it will work and it's all the time. So let's click on Opera Mini and let it download. So as you can see, the apps are downloading right now. You can see the Spotify is downloading. It's because of my internet connection. It's may be a little slow, but it will download. So other apps like your games and those things, you can download it from your store, directly from the store. I have downloaded from the store. So these apps also will not work just now. You have to use like your another version of phone. Like I have my iPhone 5s which is running on iOS 12. So I have downloaded, I'm using same Apple ID on both of them. So I have installed those apps here. So if I go here, so I can see the purchased list, and from there I can download the older version of those apps. But not all the apps support the older version, so some of them will work. Like if I click on Yandex browsers, let's see, it will install. It said it will not work on my phone. Maybe Puffin will work. So let's see. If I click on Puffin, so Puffin will work, I think. So as you can see, it's installing the Puffin. It will install the lower version of this. As you can see, it's pop up with the message that the download an older version of this app. So they will download the older version of this app. Let's click on download. Then you can see it may as you can see, it's downloading the Puffin browser. So if you have another phone from your friend or your other parents or whoever have the phone, you can log in with your Apple ID and download those apps you need in your iOS 6. Then you can go to the purchase list and download those apps. So otherwise there is no way to download them. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you get any problem with installing these apps, you can let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.